All right, you guys, we are at our new campsite. This is what it's looking like. So unfortunately, we ran into the same problem as we did yesterday with needing a longer hose. So we are on our way to where?
Walmart playground.
Walmart and the playground. Hi. How are you guys? Good. He said, What you guys set up out here? Yes.
Oh, look on the side.
You can see it? So you got the computer and the Xbox out here? Alright. Okay. I saw that.
Oh! Look how you should have seen me. What?
Liam's nose. Alright, you guys, so we are out here sorting out the kids' toys. Leroy is cleaning the grill. So we're thinking we're gonna get a crate or a bucket so that way we can put all of the toys and stuff together. Make life easy on these beautiful afternoons. How you doing today, sir?
Just trying to get settled in.
Can't hear the copters is flying above.
What you know about the copters? But nah, it's a good day, beautiful day in the neighborhood. All wells and well. You know.
All right now,
Got a
okay.
nice little lake view.
Nice lake
Partial.
view. Yeah, it's definitely partial, but it's still beautiful out here, guys. And I have the boring job. I see you, babe. I have to sort through all of the clothes. Summer, spring, fall. Liam is screaming my name. Is it dark?
Hey, Daddy,
Yes, sir.
how do you throw a real boomerang?
Let me see. This TV screen is dirty.
That's a good start, too. You just did 2 tricks. Don't go too high. You don't have to go too high. Okay, look, if you was coming this way, you just go this way. Look at that. Man, look at what you're doing. Don't me look.
Ooh, that was nice.
Keep going.
All right, guys, this is his first day riding. You got it, you got it, you got it, you got it, you got it.
Yeah, which way is west?
I don't know.
Direction.
Just follow anybody. They all going to the same place.
So Liam,
Remember Jason Aiden?
I do.
You know the girl from Jason Aiden?
Who?
The girl.
Hey guys, so we got a bunch of the kids out here playing with our kids. They got some of these toys. But, okay, let's see. So right now, he's gonna let the boys play with some friends. I just saw this like crazy big. I can't hear you.
So check this out, right? We got this fire right here. I just bought some pork ribs. We're gonna throw it on the fire, let it cook for an hour or 2. You know what I'm saying? And then after that,
I cannot. I am doing laundry, trying not to break my neck. So right now, we have cornbread ready to go into the oven. These are 2 crabs remaining from yesterday's little, I don't know, crab fest. And Leroy just went to pick up some ribs. So we have some country style ribs that we're just gonna throw on the grill. Hopefully the kids will try them. I'm gonna make a tuna mac salad for those of you who know. I am currently catching up with Love is Blind UK. Gonna do some editing. This here has been a lifesaver. So our kids are always in and out the door. And this is like a fly trap, like a little sticky thingy. Works pretty well. So again, I'm gonna do some editing. Gonna finish the kids' laundry, then clean up their play space in the back. So I know I haven't been updating you guys a lot lately because we've been on and off the road. But you should see more of us pretty soon.
Yeah.
Seasoned.
I always thought that I would have my own child.
Seasoning the
A lot of
meat.
mini me that is part of my DNA.
So you guys, I can't make this up. Our kids, they always, somehow, some way, have a whole gang of friends over here at the RV. So this is me looking through the through the front window. And this is on one of our security cameras here. I don't know what Leon's talking about, but Leroy's outside. How you doing, sir?
I'm good. What's up?
Chilling.
Yeah, he told me he want to bring more monster trucks out.
That's a negative.
Yeah, that's what I told him.
Yeah, it's almost dark. They want to bring out more monster trucks for everyone in the neighborhood.
I told him, I said,